Burnout, stress, anxiety, all increasing at alarming rates for basically anybody under the age of 45. And according to the UK's mental health org, 9 out of 10 individuals are experiencing high or extreme levels of stress just in this last year. And look, I'm not trying to be dramatic here, but something just feels different in 2025 and being a software engineer. And even though it's only February, in this video, we're gonna dive into the top 3 things that I think folks are already struggling with. And to be totally honest, this video is not going to be filled with tips and tricks or how to get through it, but instead I'm posting this video to let you know that you're not alone. So whether you're in the US, the UK, or honestly anywhere else on this planet, we are all more alike than we are different. So let's dive in. I think I would be shocked if you told me that your manager, your tech lead, your boss, whoever is above you, didn't come and ask you what AI features that you can easily work into your application. And with all this AI drama going on with DeepSeek, OpenAI, all of the new facilities that they are planning to build, it low-key feels like we're in an AI pressure cooker. Like we are quickly approaching the no return of AI. And with the bold claims that Zuck had on Rogan's latest podcast, and how he believes the year 2025, he fully anticipates and I think expects junior to mid-level engineers getting replaced by AI, I think now is the time to start paying attention to it. And I think as we all come along, for some of us who maybe aren't fully bought into the AI hype right now, I can see and I can hear you and I can feel that the increasing pressures of falling behind are just growing and growing and growing. And maybe this is a hot take, but I'm willing to bet that in the next 1 to 2 years, if you don't have AI something on your resume, you're just going to fall behind and your resume is just going to be lower and lower on the stack of papers. And if it's not already bad enough that AI is coming for our jobs, let's just talk about the return to office mandates. We all saw how common they were in 2024. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Netflix, all requiring developers and other engineers to just return to office at least 3 to 5 days a week. And I think we saw just a highlight of it last year, but I believe it's going to be far more common this year. It's not just a return to office, it's a return to office or else. And now even worse, it is being used as leverage to drop a significant portion of the company's workforce without the company looking like the bad guy. And you're being sold that it's for collaboration and mentorship and ingenuity and R&D and all of this crap. And I'm here to call bullshit. I am somebody who, my day-to-day basis, I lead and mentor many, many engineers all day long. And we have incredibly meaningful connections. I see these engineers succeed. I see them grow as a developer and their programming skills increase, and we all work remote. And I think the icing on the cake here is that these return to office mandates aren't just coming at a random time, and instead they're coming when the tech world is already so damn difficult to get in. Which directly leads me to my last point. Holy shit, what a time to be an engineer. And today I'm not saying that in a good way. For all of my junior or mid-level engineers, I feel so terribly bad for you. And if you all are ever looking for advice, or honestly just want somebody to listen, drop a comment down below, because I want to be here for you, because y'all are getting screwed. Going back to the point where Zuck made his claims on Rogan's podcast, I am guaranteeing that some managers out there heard Zuck say, hey, we can replace junior to mid-level engineers with AI. Maybe it'll be expensive at first, but it'll get cheaper. I am guaranteeing you that some of you out there will lose your jobs because of that. I'm willing to bet that by Q4 of this year, managers are seeing the realities that sure, maybe a junior engineer could be replaced by AI, and it might save them $500,000 if they drop a quarter of their workforce in favor of just using ChatGPT. And I'm willing to bet that some of you out there are terrified. And it does suck, and it isn't fair. And I do think that there are opportunities to go through this, but it's a rough time out there right now. And look, I totally get it. This video probably seems all doom and gloom, and the world is ending, the sky is falling out, and honestly, for some people, it might be. And I totally understand that this is certainly not the common positive outlook video that I generally produce here on this channel. But we're facing the perfect storm. And I think the worst part about all of this is I haven't found any engineers on YouTube talking about this. I haven't seen anyone try to create the space where we can communicate about this. And that's exactly why I'm posting this video. I want this channel, this area, the comment section, wherever you may be, to be the safe space. I want you to come here and bitch about your problems. I want you to have others to commiserate with, because when we go through it together, we'll get through it. And if you want a place to hang out and talk with other engineers out there, hit the first link down below. Come join our free Discord channel. It's completely free, and it's full of really, really amazing people that genuinely care. And if that's not your jam, do me a favor. thumbs up the video, subscribe, come along for more content. If you think that this video added any value, or honestly, if you just realize that some of this sucks and you completely resonate with what I'm saying here, because at least if we're getting cooked together. And with that, I'll see you all next week. Peace.